I have a trou-bilt 33 inches walk behind. With the operator presence lever held down, I engage the blade lever but it will not stay engaged.
Hello, here is a service manual link. See page 8 for info that may help. Trou-bilt Wide Outdoor 33-inch Wide Cut Mower Service Repair Manual.pdf.
That link does not work. Error 404, oops. Seems you accessed an invalid link.
Okay, give me a min. Try this link, http://www.mediafire.com/h36i4ajs5ub0d8z.
That link works, thanks. On page 8, figure 13, I already tried what they suggest. To adjust, remove the hairpin clip on the upper end of the operator presence control arm. 4.4. Loosen the hex nut and shorten the rod by 1 or 2 turns. Do not over-adjust, tighten the hex nut securely. See figure 13. I still cannot get it to latch.
Do the latches, Fig 13, show signs of being worn? Rounded edges, are they fully engaged when controls are held down? How is the blade belt tension? Vinso.41097.63516851885.
The PDF was for a slightly different version. I cannot see to the side of the latching mechanism. The belts are new and tight. I just took off the backsheet metal to see if I could feel the edges of the latches. When I did, some crud fell off from right where the two parts meet. Now it seems to be holding. I'm going to put everything back together, start it up and see if it still holds.
Okay.
That seems to have worked, thanks.
Great, hope you're not cutting in 100-degree weather.
Nah, that's what I have a sun for. Have a great weekend.
LOL. Anything else?
That's it.
If answer has helped, a good feedback rating would help me, thanks.
Excellent service. I would if Jay could find it. Where is it?
Should be in a post that is an answer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.